Shenzhen Fire Security Technology Company Limited, established in 2003, is a professional engaged in the research, development, sale and service of smoke alarms, heat alarms, carbon monoxide alarms, gas alarms, and combined alarms. We are located in Shenzhen, China. In order to supply the satisfactory products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained ISO 9001, BSCI, EN 14604, EN 50291, AS 3786, BS 5446 certificates. We have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe and etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We are glad to work together with you and finally bring you the satisfied products.